Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a tiramisu iced latte. First, ensure you have all your ingredients ready, including strong espresso, mascarpone cheese, and Latte. Next, we will prepare the rich mascarpone cream and brew your coffee. Finally, we will layer everything together to create this delightful beverage. This step-by-step guide will help you craft a perfect, indulgent drink right at home, bringing a taste of Italy to your cup. To begin, brew 2 shots of strong espresso and let them cool completely. For the creamy base, gently mix 2 tablespoons of mascarpone cheese with 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar until smooth. In a separate bowl, whip 1/4 cup of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. This will create a light and airy texture for your latte. Ensure all components are prepared before moving to the assembly stage for the best results. Now, let's assemble your tiramisu iced latte. First, quickly dip 2 Latte into the cooled espresso, just enough to moisten them without making them soggy. Place these at the bottom of your serving glass. Next, add a generous layer of your prepared mascarpone cream over the Latte. Then, gently pour about 1/2 cup of your preferred milk over the cream, creating a distinct layer. This layering technique is key. To finish your delicious tiramisu iced latte, carefully pour the remaining espresso over the milk layer. Then, add a dollop of the whipped cream on top. For that classic tiramisu touch, dust generously with cocoa powder. Give it a gentle stir before enjoying this delightful, layered beverage. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. This indulgent treat is perfect for a special morning or an afternoon pick-me-up, offering a rich, creamy, and satisfying experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.